Hi, welcome back. In sports, some moments surpass competition and leave a lasting legacy. One such moment occurred at the 1968 Mexico Olympic Games, where a relatively unknown athlete named Dick Fosbury forever changed the sport of high jump. Imagine, the Olympic stadium actually buzzing with anticipation as Dick Fosbury steps onto the track. With about 80,000 spectators' eyes fixed on him, Fosbury actually takes a moment to gather his thoughts, unaware that he's about to make history. Now, let me take you back a few years earlier. Fosbury was just another aspiring athlete from the US who actually dreamt of competing, in the track and field events in the Olympics. But he actually failed to clear the minimum height in the school's high jump meet, leaving him disheartened and very frustrated. Facing a setback, Fosbury had a breakthrough. He saw the potential for innovation in high jumping. Others actually use the traditional techniques like the Western roll or the straddle jump, which actually involved jumping over the bar first with the feet or moving sideways. However, Fosbury dared to approach it differently by jumping over the bar with his back facing it and sparkling a revolutionary change. Fosbury's unorthodox technique involved running towards the bar, turning his back, and then clearing the head first and landing on the neck and the shoulder. The local newspapers actually mocked his style, stating, it's like a fish flopping in a boat. But Fosbury actually remained undeterred. By the time he reached the 1968 Olympic Games, he had perfected this technique. On the Olympics competition day, with a single leap, Fosbury set a new Olympic record by jumping 2.24 meters and actually revolutionized the sport of high jumping that day. Thus, the Fosbury flop was born. No one actually could match the efficiency and the effectiveness of this technique. Fosbury's success has an impact far beyond athletics. Some of the key learnings for me are: number one, be creative. Don't hesitate to explore new solutions. Adapt to change. Flexibility actually leads to success. The third learning is, keep going. Stay resilient, despite setbacks. Number four, keep improving. Aim for, personal growth on a continuous basis. Number five, learn from failure. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities. Now I have a couple of questions for you. Have you hesitated to try a new idea at work? And how can you build confidence to give it a try in future? The second question is, how can you adjust your strategies to fit changing work environments, like, say, for example, artificial intelligence today? And what challenges do you expect to face, and how can you overcome that? Now, to conclude, Dick Fosbury's story inspires us to embrace uniqueness, adapt to change, and pursue through the challenges. Remember, to be bold and brave and, open to the innovation. And that's all I have in this, small video for you. And if you do like it, please click the like button. And also do subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that as and when a new video is posted, you'll get a notification immediately. Thank you so much, and bye bye.